Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. I'm here again. Like, I'm so excited at the minute, and I think it's because it is like obviously approaching the Christmas season, and yeah, it just makes me really excited. So today was just gonna be just like a day with me, but I've actually decided a couple of things that I need to get done and want to get done. So we're gonna do them together. So if you haven't already, make sure you've got yourself a cup of tea, you're cozy, you're snuggled up on the sofa, and yeah, let's get into the video. I hope you're all having a lovely week so far. Obviously this will go live on Wednesday, but it's currently Sunday and it is just about 1:10. So I haven't actually done a lot this morning. One of my videos went live this morning, which was the B&M budget stocking fillers for him and for her, and yeah, so I just made sure that that went all to plan, and then I just got ready, changed, and kind of planned what I'm going to do today. So I am going to do a pine themed speed clean with me, because next weekend is the Christmas tree moment of going up. So when this goes live on Wednesday, you will be seeing my Christmas tree on the following Sunday, like the Sunday after you see this go live. So I wanted to get very Christmassy scented kind of going on, and I've also got some other bits like from the White Company and places like that that have like pine scented stuff, but that's going to be within my decorating Christmas videos. So yeah, you'll have to hold your horses till you see that. But for cleaning wise, let me bring you over here. So I have quite a range of different things. These are mainly just like Christmas sponges. But we have the Astonish Germ Clear Disinfectant with natural pine oil. This smells incredible. If you haven't got this already, it's amazing for like worktops, all around your kitchen and in your bathroom and things like that. And then I also have this, so the Star Drops Pine Disinfectant. It smells very similar to the Astonish one, but I think this one's maybe a little bit more scented than the Astonish one. I do really like this one. I actually got it with just the, I don't even know what kind of top you call this, but without the sprayer on it, just so that I could put it in like my Vera floor mop, so I could mop the floors, I could put it in the bathroom, I could put it down the sinks and the toilets, and things like that. And then I could also dilute some into a empty bottle, and then I've got like another one of these kind of thing. And one of my absolute favourites is this Febreze Air Mist in Frosted Pine. Honest to God, guys, this smells incredible. If you haven't had it already, go and stock up now, because it is only limited edition and they do sell out, and honestly I can't live without this. I've got so many in my house and like dotted around just so that I don't run out even when it's not Christmas time. I love this scent, and it does remind me of Christmas as well, because I found it at Christmas time once and I love it. And for the toilets, we've got Harpic Active Fresh Mountain Pine, obviously to clean the toilets out. And then I also have these Duck Fresh strips in pine scented as well, so I'll pop them in the toilets just to make it extra piney. Then I felt like I actually hit jackpot when I was in, I don't know if it was Home Bargains or B&M I got this from, but Scrub Daddy in white as a reindeer. Like, oh my god, like how does that happen? I'm pretty sure they had another one. I think it was either Santa or a snowman or something, but I wanted the reindeer. And I just think like these sponges are so good, just because of them being Scrub Daddy and like the way that they work, going from soft to firm and things like that. But I also thought this would look really cute, obviously out of the packaging, but like sat round near the sink at Christmas time, you know. So if I don't get to use it on anything today, then that's my plan. He's going to be a little decoration, and I can put him away every Christmas and bring him back out again, because I just thought he's super cute. This is the Minky cloth, but this is actually last year's one. I'm pretty sure the design is pretty different this year, but because I bought a couple last year, I didn't actually use this one, so I put it away for this Christmas, and obviously I've got it out again, so I didn't need to buy another one. But I just love Minky cloths, and I love that the Christmas ones are like grey and white. I love that. And then these festive scourers are in the shapes of Christmas trees. I mean, like, that's incredible. I do think like they were like the same price as what you would get for 3 normal like rectangle ones. and obviously there's a lot missing off the sponge, so you kind of get less for your money, but I just thought it was good because it goes with the Christmas theme, the festive scourers, and the green theme obviously fitting in with the rest of my pine that's going on over here. So yeah guys, I'm gonna make myself a coffee now, and then I'm gonna make myself a to-do list in my Mrs. Hinch book of lists, like I always do when I'm doing a speed clean. So let me just find this in the cupboard. Just broke the cupboard, guys. I don't know how to get this back in. How do these things work? I mean, this isn't really ideal. A broken cupboard. Does that work? I think I fixed it. It's shut anyway, but this unit is actually from Wayfair. It's really, really nice. The doors are like a glossy white, whereas this is just like a plain non-glossy. But I love it, and it kind of keeps everything hidden. We used to have one of those IKEA units, and we used to have 2 like boxes and 2 that were open, but there was just a lot of wires and everything going on. Because sneak peek of the absolute mayhem cupboard. Are you ready, guys? All of these wires were literally just everywhere, but now I can shut the door on them and it looks so much neater. So if you're in need of getting rid of cupboards, getting rid of cables, I'd highly recommend a cupboard like this. Okay, my dears, I'm gonna leave you up on here just so I know that obviously I do pretty much the same stuff in all of my clean with me's, so I'm not doing anything different other than using different scented cleaning products. So I'm gonna leave you over here and time lapse the whole thing for the kitchen, and I'll do the same for the other room so we can get through this speed clean really, really speedily. So see you in a bit.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, We gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow failed. I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. Always got you on my mind, but I know this time you're on top of my list. Only wish. And as we decorate the tree, only you and me, I'll be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow failed. I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. I've been waiting for so long for you, but now I got it planned. I know just what to do. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow failed. I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. I'm trying to tell you. Wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I'm no longer going away. Right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let it show. I'm gonna let it. I'm gonna let it show. I'm gonna let it show.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down, and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas.
Hey everyone, now this does come to a bit of an abrupt finish in a moment, so I do apologise for that. Basically I got through all of my cleaning and tidying and I literally just felt like all of my energy had been ripped out of my body, so I had no energy to do anything else for the rest of the day. But I do appreciate each and single one of you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've got some motivation to get your cleaning on before your Christmas decks go up, and I will see you all on Sunday for my next video. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Bye.